If you want to start a simple but profitable physical business in the United States, one of the best options is a grass cutting or lawn care business. In America, almost every house has a lawn. Because people have busy schedules, many homeowners don't have the time to maintain their yards themselves. That's why lawn care services are always in demand. In this video, we'll break down the complete business model of a grass-cutting business, how to start, how much investment you need, how to get customers, and how much money you can realistically make. First, let's talk about why this business works so well in the U.S. In most American neighborhoods, hundreds or even thousands of homes have lawns. Grass grows quickly, especially during the spring and summer seasons. Homeowners usually need their lawns cut every 1 to 2 weeks. If the grass grows too long, it can make the property look messy, and in some cities, it can even lead to warnings from local authorities or homeowners associations. Because of this, many people prefer to hire someone to maintain their lawn regularly. Now let's discuss the startup cost. The good news is that you don't need a huge investment to begin. At the basic level, you only need a few essential tools. The most important tool is a lawn mower, which is the machine used to cut grass. A beginner-level mower in the United States usually costs between $300 and $800. Next, you will need a string trimmer, also called a weed eater. This tool is used to trim grass around edges, fences, sidewalks, and corners where the mower cannot reach. A good string trimmer usually costs $100 to $250. Another useful tool is a leaf blower, which helps clean up grass clippings and leaves after the job is finished. A normal leaf blower costs around $100 to $300. If you already have a pickup truck or a small trailer, it will make transportation easier. However, many people start small and transport their equipment in a regular car until the business grows. Now, the big question is, how do you get customers? One of the most effective ways is door-to-door marketing. You can visit residential neighborhoods and leave simple flyers on doors or in mailboxes. The flyers should clearly show your service, pricing, and phone number. Another powerful method is using Facebook Marketplace and local community groups. Many Americans search for local services through these platforms. Posting about your lawn mowing service can quickly bring in your first few customers. You should also consider creating a Google business profile. When people search online for lawn mowing near me, your business can appear in the results, which can bring in consistent leads. Now let's talk about pricing. In the United States, the average price for mowing a residential lawn is usually between $30 and $60 per house, depending on the size of the yard. Smaller lawns may cost around $30 or $40, while larger yards can bring in $60 or more. Let's look at a simple income example. If you mow 10 lawns in one day and your average price is $40 per lawn, you can earn $400 in a single day. If you work 5 days a week, that's around $2,000 per week. On a monthly basis, your income could reach $6,000 to $8,000, especially once you build a list of regular clients who schedule recurring services. As your business grows, you can also offer additional services to increase your income. These services might include hedge trimming, yard cleanup, leaf removal, and seasonal lawn maintenance. Many customers prefer hiring one company for all their yard work, so adding extra services can help you earn more from each client. Another important factor in growing this business is maintaining a professional image. Showing up on time, keeping your equipment clean, and doing quality work will help build trust with customers. In the United States, word-of-mouth referrals are extremely powerful. If one customer is happy with your service, they will often recommend you to neighbors and friends. The best part about this business is that you can start small and grow over time. Many successful lawn care companies in America started with just one mower and a few customers. With consistency, hard work, and good service, a simple grass-cutting business can grow into a stable and profitable income source. If you are looking for a low-investment business with strong demand in the United States, a grass-cutting business is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about business ideas, money, and financial opportunities in America.